Now to the latest trend that's sweeping the
now selling for huge
NFT. $69 million.
Oh my God. So what's behind this latest craze?
That is the question to ask.
Is it just more hype, or are NFT the foundation of the creator economy? Understanding blockchain technology can appear to be a daunting task. While the world of NFT is still in its infancy, many have recognized the potential of this new digital asset class and the numerous applications it can serve. In today's video, we will show you a quick rundown on NFT. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. First, a bit on NFT. If you're still not sure what NFT are, here's a quick rundown. NFT is an abbreviation for non-fungible tokens, the property of a good or commodity that allows it to be interchanged with other individual goods or commodities of the same type is known as fungibility. As a result, both fiat money and cryptocurrency are fungible. NFTs, on the other hand, aren't. NFT ownership is recorded on blockchains, which are systems that record cryptocurrency transactions. Blockchains are maintained on multiple computers that are linked in a peer-to-peer network. If that sounds like nonsense to you, the main point is that blockchains work in such a way that information is difficult or impossible to change or hack into. It is intended to be transparent yet secure record-keeping and distribution system. What is NFT minting? The process of converting digital files into crypto collections or digital assets stored on the blockchain is known as NFT mining. The digital items or files will be stored in a distributed ledger or decentralized database and will be impossible to edit, modify, or delete. Minting is the process of uploading a specific item to the blockchain when a manufacturer mints a physical coin. The creators of the NFT can schedule royalties from each subsequent sale during the printing process, which will become a commission they can receive each time their work is sold to someone else or traded on the secondary market. In a nutshell, NFT minting is a fancy term for store on blockchain. The Metaverse has become the talk of the town, with tech giants circling to improve our digital lives. For the uninitiated, the Metaverse is essentially a mix of the physical and virtual worlds. The simplest way to comprehend the Metaverse is to comprehend what it is not. It is not a new technology, software, or application. It is rather a method of combining already existing technologies to create something called a digital space. Digital space is not a novel concept. NFTs serve as an important concept in the Metaverse ecosystem, allowing people to own virtual goods in the form of real estate items such as cars, boats, or even accessories and paintings. But why just NFT? This is because NFT are built on blockchain technology, which grants NFT holders legal ownership. For example, if you own land in the Metaverse, which is entirely possible, you will receive an NFT as a deed to the virtual property. This means you are the rightful owner, and you have exclusive access to the location in the Metaverse, as well as the ability to grant access to others. NFT-controlled access could also aid in ensuring VIP access to Metaverse events. Furthermore, NFT are useful in airdropping branded merchandise to followers and have exclusive Metaverse avatars. Users can create a blockchain-minted Metaverse-agnostic avatar that can be moved from one Metaverse to another. It should be noted that because NFT are immutable, you are the sole owner of your customized NFT-based avatar, and no one else can duplicate or edit it. As a result, it is obvious that the Metaverse and NFT are made for each other. The Metaverse's possibilities are limitless, allowing people to accomplish things that would be difficult in the physical world. Imagine being able to connect to the entire world by simply staying in one location and not having to move or spend money to get there. In the future, this part of the Metaverse may have jobs that generate revenue. Investments are prevalent in the Metaverse, with many people investing in NFT and virtual real estate in order to earn a high return on investment. The Metaverse is more than a concept. It is the future that will forever alter our futures. An NFT marketplace is your ticket to buying and selling digital assets, ranging from art to music to entire virtual worlds, if you want to get in on the NFT craze. Consider NFT marketplaces to be the Amazon of the digital world. There are dozens of NFT marketplaces, many of which have a specific focus or niche. What are the best NFT marketplaces available? OpenSea is the industry leader in NFT sales. OpenSea's platform hosts a wide range of digital assets, and it's completely free to sign up and browse the extensive offerings. It also helps artists and creators, and has a simple process for creating your own NFT, known as minting. Axie Marketplace is the online store for Axie Infinity, a video game. Axies are mythical creatures that can be purchased, trained, and then pitted against the axes of other players to earn rewards. Axie Marketplace allows players to purchase new axes, as well as entire lands and other items, as NFT for use in-game. Larva Labs is best known for the widely publicized CryptoPunks NFT project. They were initially distributed for free in 2017, but some CryptoPunks have since sold for millions of dollars. Larva Labs is also working on other digital art projects, such as autoglyphs, as well as Ethereum blockchain-based app development. Rarible, like OpenSea, is a large marketplace for all types of NFT. On the platform, you can buy, sell, or create various types of art, videos, collectibles, and music. However, unlike OpenSea, you must buy and sell in the marketplace using Rarible. The marketplace's own token, Super Rare, Foundation, App, Nifty Gateway, Mintable, and ThetaDrop are some of the other marketplaces that one can choose from. The first advantage of investing in non-fungible tokens is that you can buy a unique digital avatar based on anything. This means you can buy anything from the Mona Lisa to your favorite meme, opening up a world of possibilities. Non-fungible tokens can be a wise financial investment. They have a real, non-zero market value, and their prices are only rising, if you're lucky enough to find one that hasn't already been taken. With popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum experiencing scalability issues, it may be a good idea to diversify your portfolio into something that helps lay the groundwork for the blockchain's future. Purchasing non-fungible tokens is as simple as exchanging 2 or more NFT of equal value, which means you don't need a certain number of tokens to make it worthwhile, as with fungible tokens. Another significant advantage of non-fungible tokens is that there is no set-in-stone method of trading them. Because the transactions are final and immutable, you cannot be duped when trading your tokens. Transactions cannot be reversed because they are immutable and decentralized. This makes NFT an ideal method of securing payment without the use of middlemen such as banks, which charge fees every time you exchange money. Given the numerous advantages that non-fungible tokens provide, it's easy to see why they're gaining popularity. They are safe, efficient, and represent ownership in ways that other digital currencies do not. They are not only ideal for trading, but they can also be used to obtain items that would be too expensive or difficult to obtain in real life. NFT give you access to all markets and allow you to trade from anywhere in the world. So, if you want to get into the cryptocurrency market without learning complicated trading methods, NFT are definitely worth your time. NFT have the potential to significantly reduce transaction processing costs for both buyers and sellers of goods and services. The fees associated with these transactions, which are frequently a function of the analog systems used to process them, could be significantly reduced. This could also allow for an increased transaction volume. NFT are simple to create, and one person can create several in an hour, which is impossible with physical documents or even many digital documents. It's difficult to imagine all of the benefits that could result from the widespread adoption of NFT. The blockchain technology that underpins NFT has already changed the world and will continue to do so as businesses work through issues such as interoperability and widespread consumer adoption. Rather than remaining a high-priced novelty for people who already have everything else, the future NFT will be judged by how efficient and secure they make everyday business. Except for the less than savory characters who take advantage of today's systems, there are no losers in that world. With this, we have come to an end. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide-spectrum research. Do let us know in the comments section below. Also, make sure that you like this video, comment down your thoughts regarding this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest videos. Until then.